This course has been developed for anyone in a sales management role. It's truly a fast-track course, packed full of knowledge, tips, and best practice. It starts by showing you how to build a solid foundation in the position. The first lesson deals with moving up from salesperson to sales manager. Then we outline best practices to follow in the role and give you tips and techniques to use as your baseline. And we show you how to resolve common team-related problems. Next, we cover how to set up a sales team for success. This module introduces team management and outlines what makes a team effective. We then show you how to structure a star sales team. And we give you a great 5-step process for enabling your team to get results. The third module deals with the operation of your team. This is about creating an effective sales process and finding ways to automate it. Then we move on to sales methodologies, which is how to sell effectively. And we end with creating battle cards, which are a great weapon in beating your competition. Finally, we deal with the real grit of the course, which is setting up and hitting sales targets. From setting realistic targets, we move to sales forecasting and then using KPIs to improve sales performance. We finish with a really useful lesson on managing hunters and farmers in your team. When you finish the course, you'll know how to create a solid foundation in the role, set up a sales team for success, create effective sales processes and methodologies, set and hit sales targets. And now, enjoy the course.